Hello SiLLibakers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking zucchini bread. The first time I ever had zucchini bread was in high school. One of my best friends, who is still one of my best friends today, Nikki, asked me to go over to her home for lunch. So I went to her home and her mom had made zucchini bread and she'd asked me if I wanted a slice. And I had never had zucchini bread, especially something that was a vegetable and it was sweet all in one. So I was a bit hesitant. I had it and I was hooked.
Wow!
It was so simple, but absolutely delicious. I had never forgotten about zucchini bread since that day. So this recipe is dedicated to Nikki and her mom Grace. So thank you for the introduction. This recipe is made with whole wheat flour, a sprouted whole wheat flour, as well as almond flour. Obviously we're gonna get zucchini and we're going to naturally sweeten this recipe as well. It is something that you should have in your repertoire. And the one thing that I find many recipes or many zucchini bread recipes lack is a crunchy top. And I find that very important in terms of texture. So I actually add a combination of a raw sugar as well as hemp seeds on the top of the zucchini bread to give you that crunch. So let's make a healthy zucchini bread. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to line and grease your 8x4 baking pan. Using the large holes of your box grater, grate 1.5 cups of zucchini. It's about 2 medium zucchinis. Then you're going to grab a large bowl, add your 2 eggs, your milk, either dairy or plant-based, either will work, and your maple syrup. Again, you can use whatever sweetener you like. You're going to give everything a good mix. Next, you're going to add your grated zucchini. And you're just going to mix that through. And you're going to add your cinnamon, your leavening agent, and your salt. And since we're doing the leavening agent now, you want to make sure that you're giving everything a very thorough mix. Now you're going to add your whole wheat flour and almond flour to the wet ingredients. If you're going to include add-ins like chocolate chips and walnuts, this is a great time to do it. And the reason for that is because the flour will coat those ingredients and it helps the ingredients to not sink to the bottom of the loaf while it's baking. So you want to mix until just combined. Don't overmix. And lastly, you want to add your melted butter. You can use coconut oil here or you can use olive oil, whichever works for you. Next, you're going to add your batter to your pan. You're going to smooth out the top. And I like to add a little crunch, so this is 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds for some crunch, some omegas, some protein, and some coarse sugar. This is a demerara sugar that I like. This is about half a tablespoon. And now it's ready for the oven. You want to bake the zucchini loaf for 50 to 60 minutes at 325. And once it's out of the oven, it's golden and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy sweet treats. Until next time, happy baking.